Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the core tools in place. Install Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides and grant storage permissions so you can import files. Once done, collect your slide assets, images, notes, and any custom fonts into a single folder to avoid hunting later. Next, open the app and choose a template. This immediately sets layout and colors. Make sure autosave or cloud sync is enabled so edits won't be lost as you proceed to build slides. Now you construct the body of your presentation. You should apply a master layout to enforce uniform fonts and spacing. That saves time and keeps things professional. Then add media, import photos, trim videos, and record short audio narrations directly on the phone. Compress large files to prevent playback issues. Once content is placed, sequence slides and apply modest transitions for clarity. If collaborating, share via cloud links and resolve comments. This keeps revisions organized as you approach final polishing. Finish by proofreading every slide and rehearsing your timing using Presenter View so you know exactly when to advance. Then export to the required format, PPTX for editing or PDF for sharing, and verify the final file size and embedded fonts. Once exported, transfer the file to the presenting device and run a complete test. Confirm audio and animations work. If media fails or fonts change, re-embed the fonts or convert text.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.